Bitcoin officially puts in a higher low. It's April 2nd, 2025, the dreaded day, and crypto is having a nice green day. Now, yesterday we went over how the tariff structure, which is the one on top, is a very similar structure to the war in Israel structure. So right here was when the war in Israel actually kicked off, and you have a peak that goes higher, peak that goes higher, creek down, selling climax. The secondary test goes lower than the selling climax. Secondary test goes lower than the selling climax. And then you get a move to the upside, higher low, higher low. This is where I think that we are right here. And to have my theory continue to be true, what I want to see, the next move is to get above this peak right here, which would be right around in here. Same thing structurally, how this peak got above this move to the upside. That would put us at about $89,000, somewhere in there. If we get 89,000, this would put us back in the full-on bullish structure. And if this pattern were to continue to play out after you go to 89 to 90,000, what you would anticipate is another higher low coming back to about 84,000, somewhere in that range, before inevitably breaking out. Ultimately, I think that there's going to be a pretty big move by May in Bitcoin and in the total three, which is everything that is not Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think that does a 50% move, and I think by the end of May, Bitcoin actually makes a new all-time high. 118,000 is my target, but I do think it gets to 110 by May. As of right now, we're not quite out of the woods, but we're definitely heading in the right direction. I am cautiously optimistic for the next month. There's a lot of big things that are going to happen this week, so expect some volatility. Continue to DCA and follow me for more, you savages.